Hi, it is the fault F63 I have received from the Siemens washing machine.
Hi, I'm afraid this isn't good news here. When you get the F63 error code, the service manual states the control board is faulty and needs to be replaced. It actually says fatal error on control board. Not sure if you have tried this, but remove the plug from the socket and leave it for 30 minutes and see if this clears it, as sometimes it allows the control unit to discharge itself. Then turn it back on and see how it goes from there. But if it's still the same, then the control board will be the issue and will need to be replaced here, and that will sort it from there. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.